Hello, people out there in YouTube. Um, as you can see, I have an Xbox 360 Slim with you can't see that, but it's a 250 gig hard drive. I'm about to show you what I got one morning. See, it powers up. And look at that. E68. Red dot. Red ring of death. Now, I'm going to show you. It probably will be impossible for you guys, but if you happen to get a virus, which E68 is probably not a virus, I don't know what it is, but here's what you do. You just turn off your Xbox and you take out, well, on mine I got these right here. Hold on, I gotta look for a light. If you've already experienced this with your Xbox and your hard drive does not work at all and you got in red dotted death, get hard drives, little pieces. This right here is a 16 gig and this is an 8 gig, or I don't know, wait, no, that's a 4 gig, this one's a 4 gig, this is a 16 gig. Install those in your hard drive, put your latest updates on them, and if you get the red ring of death, pull your hard drive out, just pull it out and just don't do anything with it, just leave it, then turn it right back on. And there you go. If you guys ever experience this problem, try that, or just maybe shake your little hard drive around. See, I can do everything. I just turn on my controller. I can go online. As you can see, I got all friends. I don't need my hard drive for anything. I got all my friends, all my games, everything. And that's it. That's what I have to do. Alright. Okay, bye.